Hello guys, it's Namdi Trades here. So as you can see guys, this is actually a profile account that I was trading before um, the challenge was it was breached because actually the reason for making this video is actually to show you reason why this account was breached, and as well to give out the notice out there what um, is required as a trader, because if it wasn't for um, the network, the poor network on the Glow network, I wouldn't have lost this account, because these are actually my accounts. I've been trading these accounts, started trading this account on 12th of, I started on the 12th of November, right? See, I've been up 8% on the accounts, and I've come down on my equity curve, but I know that I would have still had the chance, the opportunity to pass this account, yes. But what can I see here is this drawdown. This drawdown is as a result of an instant market execution I made before network um, disappeared on the Glow network that I used to browse. So, and while the network issue was occurring, there was no network, there was nothing I could actually do. Um, my battery was low as well. There was literally nothing I could do. And when the network came back, finally, this is what I saw. Right, so let me show you. Like, they've closed the broker, they've closed my account on the broker that was on Trade Locker. So I'll use um TradingView to show you an example, right, of what really happened. So now this is XAU USD on the 1 hour time frame, right? So okay, yeah, my levels are here already. So this is what happened. This is, though I didn't take the trade here, but I made this an example I showed on the first video I made, but I didn't know that I was actually recording a one screen, right? So I'm actually remaking this video because I saw the mistake there, right? So this is what happened. I saw this POR here on this liquidity graph here. When I came actually in the market, this has already happened. So I said, okay, I think this is a formula I learned from this guy Tech Chris. He's a trader as well, a good one at that, a professional. So there was this video he made. He posted a video about the liquidity graph. I said, okay, I think this is a good opportunity to enter, but let me try and see if I can get a re-entry since I missed this very move here. I said, okay, let me go down to the 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes time frame. Okay, you see how fast network is. I'm not using that glue because of this incident I'm about to explain to you right now. Is the reason why I had to go back to my MTN line. I don't mind the high cost of data charge, right? So I'll continue my MTN as not to experience the same thing I experienced on the Glow network. So now this is in the entry. So since when I came to the market, this move had already occurred. So I wanted to look for a re-entry, and I got this. I took a trade here because I took an instant market execution because of this expansion and this breakout block that I saw here, right? I took an instant market execution, and while I was about placing my stop loss was when network on the Glow um, signal on the Glow network disappeared. I sort of a way I could you know, get it to work, but all to no avail. So all throughout that yesterday, I wasn't just feeling so good about it. Like, and at that point in time, my battery was very, very low. So this is what happened. I just knew that I was going to lose the account because a drawdown I might hit in my daily drawdown, or the market might actually go a little bit my way. Even I didn't even set TP. Okay. But at least if the stop loss was here, at least I would have been taking out probably a 1% down on my account. That wouldn't have been a problem. But this is what happened. This very drawdown here, not just this. This drawdown here lose made me lose my account. I hit my daily drawdown yesterday, right? So I would advise, please, as many of you as are watching this video, please, if you are a trader, you don't need networks that are very, very poor, the likes of Glo, right? I know MTN, a lot of people, Glo gives enough data with less payment, and MTN charge a lot, but I think it's better off the one that charges a lot and still maintains its network, though sometimes MTN can actually misbehave, right? But you can't compare it with what Glo usually do, because I've been experiencing this very poor network issue for days, right? Before it did this on my Profem account, right? So I actually lost this account because of instant market execution on a very poor network that I was using to browse called Glo. So I advise, as a trader, you have to make use of you want to have a good networking, right? Because this is not a child's play thing. The financial markets, right? Okay, just imagine that this was a personal account and this very thing occurred. Probably, let's just say it wasn't a profit account, it was just a personal account. You would have lost everything, totally everything. So this is a top tier trade account, right? This is an account I got from top tier when I passed their course, right? So I've been trading on it. I made my first execution on it on the 12th of November last year, right? So, and I've been aiming to pass the account, right? Because I trade based on the 10 trade scenario I learned from that. That's very should I call it a strategy or pattern has actually kept my psychology in check. It makes me not to be afraid of whenever I'm in a drawdown. I always know that I will always come back. At least when I catch a two trade or three trades, I'm always up on my equity call, right? So that's just it for this video, guys. Just be mindful of the type of network you use. As a trader, you need to have a good working network. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe. This is my first video on this my channel. Subscribe for future updates. Thank you very much.